How to change payment account on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Play Store. Simply click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on the arrow button, which will simply show you all the accounts on your device. Switch on to the account you want to add payment to, or simply click on add another account and create one if you don't have another account. After you've switched account, click on your profile at the top right again. Then in here, click on payment and subscriptions. In payment and subscriptions, click on payment methods at the top. After that, simply click on add credit or debit card. In here, simply add your credit or debit card's information and you're good to go. This is how to change payment account on Google Play.